Here I have UMIDIGI A9, and today I'm going to show you how to wipe cache from this device. So first of all, you have to turn your device off, and after it turns off completely, you have to hold down combination of keys, power key and volume up at the same time like this. After you enter this kind of menu, here you can use volume up key to navigate and volume down key to select. You have to select the first option, recovery mode. After you see this kind of Android robot and no command message under it, hold down power key and press volume up once. Then, in the following menu, here you have to use volume keys to navigate and power key to select. Navigate to the 6th option, wipe cache partition, and select it, and then confirm it by selecting yes. After you see the message cache wipe complete, just select the first option, reboot system now, and after that your device will be restarted as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.